Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Capricorn, we are picking few cards, guys. And before we start the reading, I would like to wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day, guys. Hope you are celebrating this day with your family, your loved ones, friends, guys. So, we have these cards for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and one card for your career situation, Capricorn. So, let's see what we have. We have Emperor in reverse, Knight of Cups, and Seven of Pentacles in reverse. So, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. You have some kind of confusions in your situation, maybe in regarding some important decisions in your career situation or some important decisions in your personal life. So, you have your dreams and your heart is calling you towards something, maybe some choices, and you are being intuitively guided towards something, but your circumstances are not allowing that, maybe, guys, and so that may be the reason for some confusion. So, you are a person who follows your dreams and you are really honest, faithful to your true motives and intentions. So, that may be the reason for some confusions or some troubles in your career, or it may be in your personal life. So, you have that intuition towards someone you like, but your circumstance is not allowing that, guys. Maybe some difficulties because of that. And I also see that you are thinking about your situation, what needs to be done. So maybe because of these confusions, you are taking time waiting, thinking about the pros and cons, what needs to be done today, what is the right way out of these troubles. So let's see what are these cards, guys. First, for our relationship, we have Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So Capricorn, in your situation, guys, you are quite successful in life and you have that skill, talents, and you are a very what to say, honest person, someone who is willing to step forward to achieve their dreams or goals, whatever it is. But you also need to be really humble, guys. Maybe this may be the energy what they feel about you, or you may feel about your person. So they may have everything, but the way they behave, the way they speak or act, it may point out to arrogance. So they are quite successful or they are always right, maybe, but even then you have to have that compassion towards everyone. So that may be the reason you are seeing some troubles in your situation, guys. So this person you love, they see you as someone really arrogant, guys. So you have to go for that humility. That may be the reason they are not quite open with you. So whatever they feel, they do not want to share it with you, because they see you as someone who does not take their views into consideration. So you have to go for humility, Capricorn, or this may be their energy, guys. So you feel they are quite arrogant towards you, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Ace of Wands. So some new beginning is coming in your career situation, guys. It may be a new career choice, or it may be a new job or a new path for your career, something which interests you a lot, which about which you are really passionate about. So that choice or that path is opening up for you in your career, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn, for your general energies. If you want to watch the Valentine's Day special pick a card, you can watch the reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your pick a card love reading, guys, I have two cards. Today is Valentine's special. So each card comes with a special guidance for you, what you need to do today, guys. So you can close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading will resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, guys. So let's start after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So what do we have here? We have breathe. This is your card for today, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So this card comes with a special guidance, and that guidance is to have patience today, wait and take everything slowly. So this is a time patience is called for in everything, guys. So you need not hurry, you need not be hasty about any decision or about anything. Heart needs time to open, take a breath, and let nature take its own course. So you need to wait. You need to give up all that worries and stress, whatever you have in your situation, release all that tension you have, and just enjoy this present moment. Waiting won't prove difficult, guys. In your heart of hearts, you will know what is right, but your ego will not know, will resist that learning. So you have to be really patient. That is what this card calls for. Just breathe and just be. And patience is going to pay off in more meaningful ways than ever, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So if you are rushing to make some important decisions, this may not be the time for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. We have aqua or a quartz. That is your card for today. So this card just means that connecting to that infinite potential that we have in ourselves and knowing the purpose of our life. So we meet so many people, but in our life we often find our soulmate somehow, and we land up together in unexpected ways, guys. So friends and family or people we like, we meet in the most unexpected places and in an unexpected way, and love makes itself known just as you are beginning to doubt whether it is really there for you, guys. So this crystal spirit, it comes with a special message, guys. You need to be childlike with that wonder and believe in magic. If you do that, if you believe in magic and believe in the power of love, no matter how dark your situation is, love will find you for sure, guys. And you are not forgotten. So love is everywhere, and even in the darkest hour, it is right there, right in front of you. So you just need to let it find you. That is what is the necessary thing, guys. So that is the reading, guys. So this person you love, or a friend or a family whom you are missing, is going to come towards you this Valentine's Day, guys. That is what I see with this card, with this crystal spirit. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.